all the jumping is her favorite. The dog show is always a great plus too. If you've never come out to her before, you really should check it out. It's so much fun.
My favorite part of Spring Fling is the music. It's really fun, and I recommend coming if you can.